45, okay.
Yeah.
And then we'll be slowing down to 35.
No problem. Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another nice country scenic road of Tesla's full self-driving 11.4.4. I know this probably goes without saying, but if you guys are liking the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the YouTube algorithm.
If I was going to live in the country, this is a beautiful area to live in.
Mm-hmm. Especially with the orchard fields and all
Yeah,
that.
that's literally what I was just thinking. We got the little river down there.
I think that's the Yakima River, right?
I think so. That would be a nice feature if they added that on the maps. The names of the rivers.
If you switch over to the non-satellite one, I think it might say it.
I prefer the satellite though.
Me too.
No. Try that again.
Hesitate for that car pulling out.
Yeah. But it was like a full stop.
Yeah.
Here we come up on a right-hand turn. There's the words. Don't go. Don't go. There we go. See, I re-engaged it that time.
What's interesting is from the air, the gap that it was picking probably would have been fine with its usual punchy, off the line kind of a.
But see, I think that's where like our conversation earlier comes into play, where it's like you don't know.
Yeah.
Because is it going to turn and hesitate in the turn like it does sometimes?
Yeah.
And because it's not really like, I don't know if it's update weekend or what it is, but it's just been kind of that.
It's not confidence inspiring. That's the problem. It's not confidence inspiring. That's what.
Yeah.
If I was to define it down to words, I think that's the problem.
Because like here's in my mind how that worked. When it first started going, it was fine, but then it hesitated. And then it was getting that punchiness. And you're like, but you've lost that window of punchiness where then you're just going to be pulling out and hoping they slow down some. you know.
Yeah.
You good?
70.
Like that. Didn't slow down at all.
Let's slow down a little bit.
A little bit, but what I'm saying is it does it inconsistently of I'm gonna slow down for this, not slow down for this. It's that confidence thing you're talking about. Like,
Cool car in front of us.
mm-hmm. I didn't know they had a Dollar General here.
Really?
Yeah. Coming up on a roundabout shortly. Slowing down, I like it. Good. Move it. Okay, you can go. Give it a little love tap. Don't stop. You have the right away. Hey, I let it take it.
You did.
All right, should take this left, no problem. Oh, you don't have to stop. Give it love taps through. There we go. $45. Coming up on a left-hand turn. Oh, nice turn. Good job. There's no hesitation on that one. Perfect.
That was pretty good.
That was great. I'm just going to turn into this elk haven place.
Sure. Well, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. Again, if you guys are liking the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the YouTube algorithm. And we'll see you in another full self-driving aerial video.